Today we're diving into Yahoo Fantasy Basketball for the 2024 season. Whether you're a newbie or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. First step is to creating your Yahoo account. If you don't have a Yahoo account, you'll need to create one. Go to Yahoo Sports and click on sign in or sign up. Now fill in your details, and once you're all set, log in. Once you've logged in, join a league. Click on Fantasy Basketball, then select Join a League. You can either join a public league or create your own. If you're new, I recommend starting with the public league. Now drafting your team. After joining a league, you'll participate in a draft to build your team. Prepare by researching player rankings and stats. On draft day, you will see a list of available players. You can also choose to join now, draft later as well. Simply do that. Now what you need to do is understand the scoring system. It is crucial to know your league score points. Check the league settings to know and see how points are awarded. Typically, you'll earn points for points scored, rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks. Understanding this will help you make better decisions. Next step is to using analytics and tools. Yahoo offers several tools to help you track players' performance. Use the stats, injury, and player projection available on the site. This can provide valuable insights when making your roster decisions. Now, next step is to engaging with the community. Fantasy sports are more fun with friends. Join discussions in the league chat or participate in Yahoo Fantasy forums to share tips, strategies, and get advice from other players. And that's a wrap on our Yahoo Fantasy Basketball tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.